Konnichiwa, Mina. This is the Anime Guy, where you, the viewer, come to me for good anime. The anime I'll be talking about today is called Makenki or Mockenki. I'm not too sure how to pronounce that. So, Makenki is about our main character, Takaru, who has enrolled in Tenbi Academy, this high school that has converted from a all-girls school to now co-ed. Little does he know that he got a lot more than he bargained for, because it turns out that this academy is a magical school where the students have this energy called elements, and we see the students in this school using these elements to battle one another. Now, if you're someone who likes action, fan service, and superpowers, then you might enjoy this series. But if you're looking for story and character development, you might not find it, because I didn't. I give this anime a 7 out of 10. I will be doing an afterthought for this series, because I know this series has a lot of problems. I still enjoyed it. It kept me entertained. Thank you for watching, and until next time.